the TMUC with other AMRSP mission partners embrace LUMADS on the march dubbed as Manilakbayan 2015 call for justice for killings and lasting peace by demanding the pull-out of AFP Mindanao and resumption of peace talks. The Task Force on Urban Conscientization, together with other mission partners, the RMP, the TFOCP, hear the cry of LUMADS and fully support the Manilakbayan ng Mindanao 2015 by upholding the marginalized voices of indigenous peoples repressed by the government through the use of state violence. We are greatly convinced that the LUMAD issue cannot be downplayed to mere tribal disputes or insurgency-induced violence. Instead, we highly suspect that there is an orchestrated plan to silence the voices that are against mining and destructive agricultural activities in the southern part of the country by way of extrajudicial killings. Sistematiko itong galaw ng gobyerno. Kaya kanina pa natin nakikita na kahit ang ibang ahensya ay pinapagalaw upang tulungan maipatupad ang pagpatay sa mga kapatid nating LUMAD. Hindi lamang ito sa mga ahensya, kundi pati ang ibang media ay napapatahimik sa isyong ito. Hindi lamang ito sa media, kundi maging ibang taong simbahan ay ginagamit ng pamahalaan upang impluwensyahan ang ibang mga relihiyosong komunidad na para sabihin lamang ito ay issue ng kaliwa at kanang nagbabanggaan. Hindi lamang ito issue ng kaliwa at kanan. Issue ito ng tao at issue ito ng lupang ninuno. For years now, during the term of President Aquino, there has been accounted 71 indigenous leaders, 56 of which are LUMADs, have been killed and left without justice, including the recent brutal death of LUMAD leaders last September 1. This is brought about by Uplan Bayanihan, which goes in the way to further large-scale and foreign-operated mining activities that not only bring about destruction of the environment and indigenous culture, but even death to our indigenous brothers and sisters. Gusto kong hiramin ang diwa ng Santo Papa na ang ating mga kapatid na mga katutubo ang prinsipal na kasama sa pakikipagdialogo upang tumugon tayo ng may tama at saktong tugon sa problema ng panahon, sa problema ng kalikasan. So, kaya maganda itong tanungin ng simbahan, kung hindi ito nire-respeto at kung pinapatay ng gobyerno mismo ang prinsipal na kasama natin sa dialogo, maganda na tumayo tayo kasama ang mga katutubo, lalong-lalo na mga LUMAD. Siguro kung tinatakot man tayo ng sistematikong panunupin ng pamahalaan, maganda na umiram tayo ng lakas sa lakas ng mga kapatid nating katutubo. Kaya nananawagan kami, stop LUMAD killings, pull out military troops in Mindanao, stop the plunder of ancestral domain, resume peace talks.